Hello, in this video we will learn how we can use Slicer to filter data. You can see a table in front of you where students and their subject marks are mentioned, total marks, percentage, pass and fail column is there. If we want to see how many, which candidates are passed or which are failed, we can do it easily using Slicer. So first I will show you on this table where two options are there. After that, I will show you another table. There we will have more than two options to filter. Okay, let's start. First of all, we select this table, select this whole table. Okay, and then go to in the home tab, go to format as table. So we have to make it this small data as a table format. So you can select any color, any table according to your choice. I will select this blue. Okay, so table is the small window will appear. Here the option is my table has header. So keep it checked. Okay, so therefore system Excel will automatically detect your headers and don't need to do anything. Press OK. Now table is created. You can see the color of the table is changed. N- Now select again this table like this. Go to insert tab, and in the insert tab in filters group there is an option slicer. Press slicer. You can see automatically all of your headings are shown in this small window. You can select filter for any of it. I will i will check the box where pass and fail is there. Okay, so I will check it, and remaining I will not check. Press OK. A small window is appear. We can place it where we want. So by selecting the option we can see the records. Let's say I want to see how many fail candidates are there. Press fail. All fails are shown. If I'll press pass, it will show all the pass. So we can select any one. Okay, any one. And if you want to see both, then clear the filter like this. I will show you what is the function of this small icon. It will work when we will have more than two options. Here we have only two options, fail or pass. So I'll show you how we can use this function, this small box. Now I have another table. Here I'll search the data according to the location. Here we have more than one options in the location. Select the table, go to home tab, format as table, select any table. I will choose different color this time. This window will appear. Make sure this checkbox is checked. Press OK and keep this table selected like this. Go to insert tab, insert, slicer. Now you can see it automatically picked all of your headings: name, staff ID, age, grade, location. You can select any one. I will select the location. Press OK. This window is appeared. We can adjust it according to our requirement. Now you can see here we have more than two options. We can, if we will press one option India, it will show how many staff is in location India. If I'll press Pakistan, so here I can check only one option, not more than one option. Okay, clear the filter. If I want to select more than one option, this small box multi-select will be used. This option, click it. You can see its color is changed. When I will click again, its color is white. You can see again. I will click. Yes, now it is selected. Now you can select more than one options here, but it will work differently. Right now it is showing all the four location: India, Pakistan, Qatar and UAE. If I want to exclude anyone, click on it. I want to exclude UAE. You can see UAE is excluded. India, Pakistan and Qatar, locations are shown only. If I'll exclude Qatar, India and Pakistan locations are showing. So using this option, multi-selection option, you can filter more than one type of records. Let's say I unselect Pakistan as well, only one is selected. I can select UAE and India, or Qatar, like this. So different options can be selected. You can this is the clear filter button. Just clear it. Okay. If you want, if you have seen the data, now how to remove this slicer? First of all, you can see this box is selected already. Select and press delete button. It is gone. Now how to remove table? Select this data again. No, sorry, no need to select. You just click anywhere on the cell, right click this table option, and convert to range. Press convert to range. It will ask you permission, press yes. Now again table is finished. Same way I will tell you on this. Click on this list, press delete, it is gone. Now how to remove table? Sorry, again I am selecting the full table. No need, just click anywhere on this table, right click this table option, convert to range. After press this yes, it is asking for permission. Now table is finished.